Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replace the batteries in your LuxPro PSP511LCa thermostat. So before you even begin, you need to make sure that you have two new AA alkaline batteries. Lux also recommends using quality alkaline batteries for reliable performance. After doing so, you need to start by latching the thumb latch at the bottom center of the thermostat. So you need to simply press the latch and gently pull the thermostat away from the wall. The front portion of the thermostat should swing outward and lift away from the wall base plate. Now once the thermostat is removed, you just have to simply locate the battery tray on the back of the unit. Afterwards, you are going to see this type of batteries inserted into it. So you need to simply remove the old batteries and dispose of them properly. Afterwards, you just have to simply install those two new AA alkaline batteries, making sure that the positive and the negative ends match the polarity markings inside the battery compartment. Now, after installing the batteries, you just have to simply inspect the battery contacts so that make sure that they are clean and free of corrosion. So once it is installed, you just have to simply close everything and you need to then check the display. Now the low board symbol should disappear and the thermostat should also return to the normal operation after the battery replacement. In most of the cases, replacing the batteries will not affect your thermostat's normal operation. However, if the display resets or the clock changes, simply re-enter the correct time and day and any schedule settings that you use. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.